தமிழரசி தமிழரசி ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
வணக்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நம்ம குழந்தைகளுக்கு தேவையான போர்ட் புக்ஸ், ஃபிளாஷ் கார்டு, பிக்சர் புக், ரைம்ஸ் புக், கலரிங் புக், ஓரகாமி புக், ஆக்டிவிட்டி புக், டெக்ஸ்ட் புக், ரைட்டிங் புக் எல்லாமே தமிழரசி.org வெப்சைட்ல இருக்கு. நீங்க லாகின் பண்ணுங்க, ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணுங்க. உங்க குழந்தைகளுக்கு தேவையான புத்தகத்தை வீட்ல இருந்தபடியே ஆர்டர் பண்ணுங்க. உங்களுடைய ஆதரவுக்கு மிக்க நன்றி. வாங்க நம்ம இப்ப வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம்.
Hi friends! Today we're going to draw this cute little cat. It looks so adorable, doesn't it? A cat says meow, meow. That's so cute. Now let's start drawing. And also, we have many coloring books, activity books and drawing books for you to use in your summer holidays. Now let's start. The materials that we need are a black marker, an orange crayon and a peach crayon. Now let's start drawing. First, we're going to take our black marker and draw an oval for the head. Then we're going to draw two lines, straight lines, on top of the oval. They have to be the same size. Now we're going to do a slanting line right down. This will make the cat ears. Now we're going to draw triangles in them so they look like cat ears. Now we're going to draw another triangle just a little bit down to the edge. There, it's a cute little triangle nose. Now we're going to draw the eyes, two little cat eyes, and then we're going to draw a line downward and two curves to make the cat smile, and a little curve in between to make it look like it's laughing. And then we're gonna draw some whiskers. Just some lines on its cheeks. That looks super cute. Now we're going to leave a little bit of space. Just this much. And now we're gonna draw one leg and another leg. Now we're going to just take these two lines and we're going to mark these two lines and a line in the center. And now we're just going to connect the whole thing together. There! Now we're going to draw the back legs. We're just going to draw a hoop. Most of the steps are like the ones that we did in the dog drawing. Now, we're going to draw the big long tail. I'm going to draw it really long. We're going to go up, up, curve down, and go back into the position. There, a nice little cat tail. We're just going to draw a little squiggly line here. Perfect, our cat is ready. Now let's start coloring. First, we're going to take our peach color and start in the middle of these ears, like this, and also the nose. And also, if you want, you can color this tail part too. Now we're going to take the orange and start coloring the rest of the body. Make sure you leave the mouth open, and you should not color it. show you a little trick. After you're done coloring, if you're using oil pastels, these little eyes will get a little lighter. So you can just use your little nail, just scrape on them, so the color will return. There! Now our cat has really bright eyes. Now for the final touch, we're gonna add claws. Just 3 little lines. There. Now we did the claws. And now our cat is ready. It looks so cute. The cat looks so cute, doesn't it? And my other cat friend loves it. He loves his new best friend. I hope y'all love the drawing. Bye!
Hi kids! எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு drawing, coloring, craftனா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கு பிடிக்குமா? அப்ப உங்களோட drawing, coloring, craft work எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.